Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure AWS Amplify with no-code mobile frontends, beginner guide step-by-step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the AWS Management Console. Log in to your AWS account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the AWS Amplify service in the console. Click on Get Started to begin configuring a new project. Select Build a mobile app to create a mobile front-end project. Choose the no-code option for your front-end setup. You will be prompted to connect your GitHub, GitLab, or Bitbucket account. Authorize AWS Amplify to access your repository. Select the repository where your mobile front-end code is stored. Choose the branch you want to use for deployment. Next, configure the build settings in the provided YAML file. Adjust the settings to specify the framework your mobile app uses, like React Native or Flutter. Click Next to proceed to that app settings page. Here, you can define your app name and environment variables if needed. Continue to the review page to double-check your configurations. Once everything looks correct, click Save and Deploy. AWS Amplify will begin the build process for your mobile frontend. Monitor the deployment progress on the console dashboard. After the deployment completes, you will be given a unique URL for your app. You can now share this URL to access your newly deployed mobile frontend. Explore the options available in the Amplify console to add backend services as needed. Consider integrating features like user authentication or data storage to enhance your application. Make use of the documentation provided by AWS for additional configurations and features. With that, your AWS Amplify mobile frontend is successfully configured with no-code solutions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.